Smart, secure, and always watching, whether it's your front door, your baby's room, or your pet. Super easy to use. Just plug in, download the app, and go. Meet the Amcrest ASH21. It is a smart 1080 Wi-Fi camera with intelligence built in. This is so easy to use. I can't even tell you how. You just plug in, you download the app, and you monitor. You can do it in your entryway. You could do it in the baby's bedroom, of which I'm going to use. It has smart tracking, motion and human detection, and it gives you notifications, of course, on your app. I wanted to show you that this moves up and down, and it also turns, this turns this way and that way. It also comes with a plug to plug in your USB cable, and if you want to attach it to a wall, it comes with that and the particular hardware for the wall. This is very effective. It tracks easily when there is any motion around. You can scan the QR code. It's very easy to connect to your smart home. You can also use it as a pet camera. You just plug it in and go as long as you have the app downloaded. You can see clearly in total darkness, which is fantastic because it has night vision up to 33 feet away. It's secure, it's reliable, and very simple. The footage stays yours with AI human detection and recording, always free. This is perfect if you need some type of system that has motion detection and it is alert on your phone immediately. This is perfect for your home to make it smart again.